everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add messenger story, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, all you gotta do is first of all access your particular messenger app on your mobile phone and make sure you're logged in with the correct account where you would like to add the story. Now go ahead, tap on the story icon bottom right. Now here you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? Go ahead, tap on this plus icon on your add to story section, and now go ahead, add a particular picture for the purpose. And now here in this section, this is how it's gonna look. You can choose icons on top to create and add additional thing on your story. Once you're done, you can choose to draw something, you can add some text likewise right over here, and you can simply add some emojis accordingly, right? And then you can also choose to simply crop it if you do not like it. You can also simply choose to edit the brightness, the temperature, saturation, etc, etc. Once you have got it according to your liking, then you're good to go. And then tap on done right over here, and then you can tap on share now, and your story will be shared on your messenger, and that is it. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.